Hi, I'm Lizzie Newcomb and today I'll be showing you how to best care for your cut red roses at Valentine's Day. I absolutely love these roses. The variety name for them is Freedom, and with these you get the beautiful tall stems and you also get the lovely large heads on them too. And they open up probably about 5 to 7 days after you've received your bouquet, but once they do open up, I find that they stay there probably for about 7 to 10 days, but they are just beautiful. So we're making the 12 red roses today, so I'm just going to get 12 stems of these lovely Freedom roses. And I've got some lovely greenery here too as well. So we've got some fresh eucalyptus, which has got a really beautiful scent to it. I've got a little bit of pistache and some salal as well. This is just going to enhance the shape of the bouquet and just help give the roses just a little bit of support. So I'm going to start with the first rose, add in a little bit of greenery. I love this style of bouquet because I really think that the roses just speak for themselves. Just really simple, but with the greenery it just creates a really beautiful effect. Nice and romantic for Valentine's Day. So when you receive your bouquet, you'll notice that there might be a care guide in there, and that will include all of the necessary information on how to best look after your red roses at Valentine's Day or any other bouquet that you might receive. So I always advise to my customers to change the water every couple of days. This just helps keep any of the bacteria out of the water. You might notice as well that there might be a couple of stems or which have some leaves on, so just make sure that you remove them, because keeping the leaves on there will cause some bacteria to develop in the vase of water. When your flowers arrive, you'll notice that they will be wrapped in some paper and some cellophane, and they probably will come in a box as well. So what you can do is remove the box, take the cellophane away, and also remove some of the paper wrap too. Make sure to keep them away from any sunny places or away from radiators or sources of heat, and also away from any drafty areas too. I always keep the string on my stems because I find that the florist has taken time to arrange them. So if you want to keep the shape, make sure you keep the string attached on the stems. There's also some flower food included in your bouquet. So I'm going to put day one straight into the vase. And again, there's always some nice details on the back of the sachet just to give you a bit of background info. So that goes straight into the vase. And the important thing is to remember to get the ratio of water right, because if there's not enough water, you'll find that the solution is too strong for the flowers, so it could kill them. And likewise, if there's too much water, it might not be strong enough. So we've got the flower food in the vase, 1 litre of water, and that goes in there. Then we can cut a couple of centimetres off the bottom of the stems. Just helps give them a bit of a refresh, and then they can go into the vase of water. And that's how you can best look after your red roses at Valentine's Day.